So what do you do after the exam? One of the first things you can do after the exam is to appeal your results. And secondly, you have to wait for the released results by the GMC. An appeal is a request for a review of a decision made by the GMC regarding a candidate's performance in a particular exam. If you took any part of the Plab exam, it is your right to appeal the results. You can appeal against the results if there was a clear evidence of irregularities that also include administrative error that would have caused your underperformance of the exam. You can also appeal against the results if there were exceptional circumstances for which clear documentary evidence must be provided that these circumstances which adversely affected your performance. You are advised to submit details of these circumstances as soon as possible, usually 3 working days after the exam, and not wait until the result is released. The other thing that you can do after the exam is to wait for the results to be released. The results will be released six weeks after the Plab exam has been written. The GMC is going to send you an email telling you to access your results in the My Test section in your GMC online account. They will tell you your total score and as well as the score that is required to pass the exam and the average score of other candidates.